Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify inventory not tracked. If you've noticed that your products aren't showing stock levels or you're having trouble managing your inventory, this guide will help you enable tracking and get everything working properly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section houses all the items you're selling in your store and is where we'll be making the necessary changes to fix your inventory tracking issue. Now you'll see a list of all your products. Click on any product that's experiencing the inventory tracking problem. This will open up the product details page where you can edit various settings. Scroll down until you find the inventory section. This is the crucial area where inventory tracking is controlled. In the inventory section, you'll notice a toggle button labeled Inventory Tracked. Click this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature tells Shopify to start monitoring stock levels for this product. Once you've toggled it on, you'll see a field labeled Available. Input the quantity you currently have in stock. This sets your starting inventory count and ensures customers can see accurate stock information. After you've entered the quantity, look to the top of the page and click Save. This confirms all your changes and activates inventory tracking for this product. Give it a moment to process and save your settings. Now, if your product has variants such as different sizes or colors, you'll need to enable tracking for each variant individually. Variants are treated as separate inventory items in Shopify, so let's go back to the products page and click on a product that has variants. Once you're viewing the product with variants, find the variants section. You'll see a list of all the different options available for this product. Click on any variant to open its specific settings. Each variant needs its own inventory tracking enabled. Just like before, you'll see an inventory section for this particular variant. Turn on the inventory track toggle and then input the quantity you have available for this specific variant in the available field. This ensures each size, color, or option has accurate stock tracking. Make sure to repeat this process for each variant your product has. Click through each one, enable inventory tracking, and input the available quantity. Once you've done this for all variants, click Save at the top of the page to finalize all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the inventory tracking issue in Shopify, and your products will now properly display stock levels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.